In this video, we're going to be learning how to program an L-axis amplifier for 155B with the version 19 software. Okay, so the first thing we have to do to program this L-axis amplifier for 155B with the version 19 software is connect to the X11 connector right on the top of the amplifier. And the next step is open up Cole Morgan Workbench on the screen. Okay, so we're going to double click on the Cole Morgan Workbench. And we've already registered the amplifier. You can see it has a no name and the status is free. And now we're going to double click on the amplifier. And to program the amplifier, we're going to go down to the third from the bottom, which is parameters, load and save. So once you select it, you go to the main menu here and load from file. So click on that. The first parameters that are going to show are for 155, a 155B, but we are looking for the 155B with the version 19 software. So those are located in TIFF. You can find them there, TIFF, Service, Software Released, 155, and you have a couple of options here. You have a regular server folder that has all of the amplifiers. These are just for a regular 155 and a 155B, but we're going into the ProSlab version 62 and 63. In here you have a servo parameter file folder, and there's only one, and this right here specifies parameters L-axis version 19, and this is the one you need to use for the version 19 machines. So ProSlab 155B with the version 19. This is the only one that changes. Everything else, you can continue to use the same ones. And hit open. And then this is going to confirm to make sure that the model is okay, and you hit yes. This should highlight and ask you if you want to save to device. If it doesn't highlight, all you have to do is click OK here, and then right here on the top, hit save to device. And then the parameters have been saved to the non-volatile memory. That's all you're looking for. Once that's done, you can verify to make sure there is feedback by pressing on feedback 1. So now that the amplifier has been programmed, we just go ahead and hit disconnect here. Now we're disconnecting from the amplifier, and we have confirmed feedback. You can now disconnect the X11 out of the top of that amplifier.